The mass harvesting and production of millions of tons of mangoes have generated billions of dollars in revenue for the mango production industry in Mexico. Thanks to the application of scientific technology in machinery and processing. Mexico has completely transformed the supply capability of this beloved tropical fruit, making mangoes more popular and accessible than ever before. Let's explore how millions of mangoes are harvested and processed. Start from farming. A bountiful mango orchard begins with thorough soil preparation. Farmers need to till the soil to make it loose, add organic matter, and maintain an ideal pH level between 5.5 and 7. The soil must have good drainage to prevent root waterlogging, allowing the trees to grow healthily and produce high-quality fruit. The planting location also plays a crucial role. Areas with ample sunlight, a stable climate, and protection from strong winds or low-lying flood-prone zones are often preferred to ensure optimal tree growth. Young trees are planted at a suitable distance to ensure they have optimal space for growth. Right after planting, adequate watering is necessary to encourage strong root establishment and ensure stable growth. Caring for mango trees requires patience and precise techniques. Proper watering, timely fertilization, and pest control are key factors that help the plants grow well and produce high-quality fruits. Pruning regularly helps the plant stay ventilated, reduce the risk of pests, and stimulates more even blooming and fruiting. During the dry season, maintaining moisture for the plants is essential to ensure sustainable growth. Mango, a sweet fruit loved worldwide, is often planted at the end of spring, the ideal time for farmers to start a new planting season. Smart farmers often use strong steel wires to secure the mango trees, helping them stand firm against strong winds and preventing them from toppling over. The time from planting to harvesting mangoes usually lasts from 2 to 3 years. When the flowering season begins, the mango tree starts to bloom and develop fruit. After about 105 days from blooming, the mangoes ripen and are ready for harvest. In the fertile lands of Mexico, mango harvesting begins on quiet mornings. For shorter mango trees, farmers use their hands to gently pick each mango. This traditional method helps protect the tree and keeps the mangoes intact. For taller trees, farmers use long poles with sturdy nets attached to harvest mangoes from above. After harvesting, the mangoes are gathered into large baskets, ready to be moved to the processing area. The mangoes are moved to the inspection area. Here, the small stems that are left are carefully trimmed. Afterward, the mangoes are transported to the processing plant to prepare for packaging and distribution to the market. The mangoes are placed into a sorting machine system with rotating rollers. This system helps remove unripe or diseased mangoes, ensuring the best quality for the product. The mangoes are placed into a high-pressure washing machine to clean off dirt. After washing, the mangoes are heat-treated in hot water to eliminate the enzyme polyphenol oxidase. This enzyme is a factor that causes the loss of color and flavor in mangoes. Afterward, the mangoes are coated with a protective layer and packaged into boxes ready to be sent to the market. The mangoes that meet the standards are sent to the juice production line. Factory workers use adjustable blade knives to optimize the amount of mango flesh. The high-capacity crusher helps recover up to 99.5% of the mango flesh, minimizing waste. The mangoes are placed into a frothing machine to remove dirt and small debris. The vacuum machine removes oxygen, preventing oxidation and extending the shelf life. The mangoes are crushed into a smooth consistency to create a uniform texture for the juice. The juice is poured into bottles and automatically sealed. The finished juice bottles are inspected and labeled before being shipped out. In the warehouse filled with the fragrance of ripe mangoes, the mangoes are left to ripen naturally before being ground into a fine powder. The golden juice is poured into cans, undergoes strict quality checks, and is stored at room temperature. This process allows consumers to enjoy the taste of mangoes year-round. Frozen mango. The mangoes are peeled, chopped, and thoroughly cleaned before being packaged. Dried mango. The mango slices are freeze-dried in a vacuum environment to preserve the flavor and nutritional value. The mangoes are cold-pressed and the pulp is filtered out, creating fresh, delicious juice. The juice is then quality-checked and distributed to consumers, ensuring safety and excellent flavor. With modern and closed-loop processes, the mango processing industry not only meets domestic demand, but also contributes to exports to international markets, bringing high economic value to agriculture.